Catalogisa. Time for another Sicilian word. Today's word is inghifarata. What does it mean? It means when you're very busy, you have a lot to do. In Italian, we say ho molto da fare or c'ho da fare, sono occupata. Those are the three ways you can say it, but in Sicilian, it's inghifarata. I will write it down for you so you know how it's spelled, or at least I try to spell it as close as possible. Sometimes it's phonetically, sometimes it's not, but don't take my word for it. I'm just teaching what I know. So, if you enjoy my videos, as always, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana, learn Sicilian one word at a time, as well as my Instagram, Big Mama Siciliana. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto! Salutiamo!